MCAS and fragrance triggers hidden danger. Hi friends, today we're talking about something invisible but powerful. Fragrance triggers. Perfumes, plugins, candles,
They're
sprays.
everywhere.
And for people with Mast Cell Activation Syndrome, they can cause real symptoms. Why skins can trigger MCAS, mast cells react to perceived threats. With MCAS, they can misfire even at fragrance molecules. Many scented products contain VOCs, volatile organic compounds, and synthetic blends that can trigger mast cell activation. Common reactions include headaches, flushing, nausea, brain fog, chest tightness. These symptoms can hit fast, even if the trigger is invisible. Common scented triggers: perfumes and colognes, plug-in air fresheners, scented candles, cleaning sprays, laundry detergents, hair and body products. Even natural scent can be reactive, depending on your sensitivity. Managing scent exposure. These are general strategies people often use, not medical advice, but helpful ideas to explore. 1. Create a low-scent home base. Use fragrance-free laundry and cleaning products. Avoid plugins, candles, and sprays. Ventilate regularly. 2. Navigate public spaces. Wear a mask in high-scent areas. Step outside if symptoms start. Avoid perfume counters and scented displays. 3. Advocate gently. Ask friends to skip perfume. Request fragrance-free options at work or events. Use polite cards or scripts if needed. 4. Plan ahead. Choose fragrance-free hotels or rentals. Bring your own bedding or safe-washed clothes. Avoid shops with heavy scent sections. Emotional validation. It's not in your head. You're not being dramatic. Your body is asking for safety, and you're allowed to honor that. If you live with MCAS or scent sensitivity, you're not alone. Comment below with your experiences and tips. And if you want more gentle, practical videos like this, subscribe and stay connected. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. I do these videos so you know you're not alone,